This is a lab put together by the CPO company, and it's meant to show how a guitar string vibrates. We have an elastic cord, which is fixed at a fret on top, and then it's plucked by this thing called a wiggler, which basically wiggles it back and forth. And it can do this at any frequency we want. We have this control panel here, and we can see that right now it's doing 8.6 back and forth per second. Not much is really happening with the string. No big motion, and that means that waves knocking off the fret and coming back, they're not interacting constructively with the waves coming from the wiggler, so we don't see any big motion. But we saw from our springs yesterday that there are certain frequencies where we do expect to see waves overlapping with previous waves. It'll be interesting to see if we can find which ones those are for this device. So I'm just going to go up until I see a large standing wave. And there it appears to be. Get a little better than that. So we're fixed at either end, which we have to be, because that's where we're holding the string. We've got a lot of motion here in the middle, as the waves going in bounce off and overlap with the new waves. So this has what's called a node, no motion at either end, and an antinode, a bump in the middle. And it is at 12.8 hertz. Class is about to start apparently, but we have time to finish. Let me go up to the next interesting one. There it is. So we've got two antinodes or bumps and three nodes. It's fixed here. It's actually stopped dead there. I can even see the dust on the string. And it stopped there. So this is 25.7 hertz. We'll keep going until we can see three. I think we got it right there. One antinode, two antinode, three. 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. And this is at 38.4 hertz. So I think you can see a pattern, at least I hope you can. If we call this the fundamental, it's about 13. That's about 26. So I think it's pretty obvious that that's twice the fundamental. So it appears for waves on a string, if a certain frequency is allowed, multiples of that frequency are also allowed. This one looks a lot like 3. So just to check our pattern, we'll keep going up. So the next one I expect to be like 39 plus 13, or around 52. Sure enough, there we are. 1, 2, 3, 4 antinodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes at 51.7 hertz, which is 4 F. And we'll do one last check. So 13 more should be around 65. And what we're seeing is that all of these, for waves on a string, appear to be allowed. We're close. Maybe a little too much. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 64.5. So all of this is because of the only requirement a guitar string puts on its waves, that they be fixed at either end. We'll see different instruments put other requirements and have different allowed frequencies.